Okay, so today I want to show you how to remove the decal, or the badge I mean, off of any car. I want to be doing it off my Mazda. Okay, so it's really simple. The only tools you're really going to need is fishing line, and I'm just going to use a hair dryer for this. Okay, so let's see. So you're going to heat it up. You're going to heat it up, and it's going to make the stuff that holds it on more liquidy, I guess you would say. It's going to make it more gooey instead of a solid, so you can easily just use the fishing line and put it back behind there. You're going to use two hands, use it back behind there and kind of do a sawing motion. And then once you get it off, you're going to want to use a microfiber towel or a clay bar to clean off the goo residue that's still behind. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick, heat it up, and I'll show you. Okay, so if you look, I have it through there some, and what I did is I heated up this section, got it in there, and I'm using a sawing motion back and forth. Now I'm going to heat this section up, that, and that section, move it down some more, heat up the rest, move it down until it pops off. I'm going to do that real quick, and I'll show you again. Okay, so with the Mazda, something I forgot to mention, is there's these two little prongs that go inside there. So you go all the way around. There's only the sticky stuff there. There's none in the middle. It's just dust. So you go all the way around. So now what we're going to do, we're going to get some Goo Gone. We're going to spray that, wipe it with the microfiber towel the best we can, and then if that doesn't work as good as I'm liking, we're going to use a clay bar, wipe it down, and get it looking like there shouldn't be a decal there. But with the Mazdas, these will still be there. So main purpose of this for me is I'm actually painting this and putting it back on, so that ain't going to bother me one bit. But that is how you remove a badge. Let me show you how to clean it now. Okay, so the decal's off. This is all I have. This is all I got from the Goo Gone and microfiber towel. I'll get the rest later, but I'm worried about it right now. So if you just want to completely debadge your car, then this process will work. The Goo Gone takes a little bit long, just because this stuff is terrible. But I hope this video helped you any type of way. If it did, please leave a like, rating, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you see every upload, and I will see you all later.